everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle. Let's explore its availability and performance. Ready? Let's go. First up, when can we expect to see the 2025 Beetle hit dealerships? Word on the street says it's set to launch in late 2024. But will it be available worldwide, or just in select regions? It looks like VW is planning a global rollout, meaning this iconic ride could soon be in your garage no matter where you are. Now, on to performance. What's under the hood? Early leaks suggest a turbocharged engine that aims for both speed and efficiency. But how does it compare to the competition? Expect 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 6 seconds, which is pretty impressive. But what about handling? Will it keep that classic Beetle feel we all love? Absolutely. Sources indicate improved suspension for a smoother ride, preserving that signature Beetle charm while enhancing performance. And what about tech upgrades? Will it still have that nostalgic vibe? The new infotainment system sounds exciting, but VW promises to maintain the Beetle's classic interior aesthetics. So, are you excited about the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle? What features are you most looking forward to? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Until next time, keep those wheels turning.